This is one of my favorite food. It is yam chips and eggs, and today I'm going to show you how I slice it. So I cut it in little bits. You can see how tiny this is. Guys, since I was little, people have been talking about how I cut my yam to make my yam chips. To the point my neighbor then was telling his daughter, cut it the way I make it. You can see how tiny it is. Sometimes I make it really thin and sometimes I make it, fat just like this. But this is the biggest I cut my yam. So I put it in the water to wash it off, and I'm sorry I couldn't show all the process because I don't have a tripod stand anymore, but I'm working towards it. So after rinsing twice, I strained out the water and added a little bit of salt. Here you can add your pepper if you want to, your spice if you want to, but no, I'm keeping it really simple. And after this, I put my oil on fire and I put my yam in it. You want to be stirring this, you know, like every minute so it does not get burnt. And when you feel it like it's a little bit crispy or it's already getting crispy, you can take it out of the oil. While that was going on, I put oil in a small pan, added my tomato and pepper, and I added a very little bit of onion cube to this. Next thing I added um, my curry, and the curry is mixed with rosemary. So yeah, it's really lovely. And next I added in my egg. I used one egg here. I just needed something little because I've been eating tomatoes for days now. So this is how it looks like when it's fried, and now I added my egg. My egg is little, yes. I just needed something really small because too much of tomatoes can make your stomach run. But this is how it looks like. Will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. Bye guys.